Zehnder air cleaners always ensure great air quality, protecting against all kinds of pollution. Generally, air cleaners run at preset speeds, but dust is not generated in steady amounts. It's linked to the activity at any one time. If air pollution increases significantly, the preset performance level may not be sufficient to keep the air clean. When air pollution levels drop, more energy is used than necessary. That's why we're making smart air cleaning units using our Clean Air remote application. Here's how it works. Sensors measure your air quality and send the data to the CARA cloud. This is then analyzed and displayed on the CARA dashboard. If the air quality deteriorates, CARA adjusts the air cleaners to the new conditions. This ensures the air stays clean, protecting your staff, products, and machinery. When the air pollution subsides, CARA ramps down the power, saving energy costs. CARA monitors your unit's performance, making sure you always enjoy clean air. For the best results, you can integrate CARA into your other cloud-based systems.